Welcome back, everybody. Dave Blinder from eXp Realty, bringing you the Parsippany Troy-Hills real estate market update. Beginning with our 2022 Parsippany real estate values, and these are over the course of the last 12 months. We've seen a total of 435 single-family homes sold, with an average sale price of $533,414. Our average days on the market are currently 29 days. Our minimum sale price over the course of the last 12 months has been $170,000, while our maximum sale price has been $1,025,000. Over the same duration in the prior 12 months, we had a total of 384 single-family homes sold, with an average sale price of $488,033. Our average days on the market were then 35. We had a minimum sale price of $175,000, while our maximum sale price was $1,070,000. Let's summarize our Parsippany Troy-Hills year-over-year real estate market values. We've seen just about a 13% increase in single-family home inventory sold, while the average sale price has increased just about 9% year-over-year. Meanwhile, our days on market have decreased approximately 20%. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you would like any information whatsoever on purchasing or selling a home anywhere in Parsippany Troy-Hills, reach out to me today.